Hello, I am Harsh from Diligence Certification. Are you planning to fly a drone in India? Whether it's for personal use, commercial purpose, or as a manufacturer, registering your drone is must. In this video, we will guide you through the DGCA registration process. Why register your drone? Under the Drone Rules 2021, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation mandates that all drones weighing over 250 grams must be registered. This ensures legal compliance, operate within the framework of Indian aviation laws, safety, maintain airspace order and reduce collision risk, accountability, enable traceability in case of incidents, security, prevent unauthorized drone activities. Who needs to register? Registration is required for drone owners, individuals or entities possessing drones over 250 grams. Drone operators, those flying drones for commercial purposes. Drone manufacturers, companies producing drone for sale or export. Remote pilots, individuals operating drones, especially those flying about 200 feet, which requires a remote pilot license (RPL). How to register your drone? Follow these steps to register your drone. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Digital Sky platform and register using your email and mobile number. Complete the profile. Provide your personal details and verify your identity. Apply for UIN. Submit an application for unique identification number for your drone. Upload the documents. Include the documents like drone's purchase invoice, proof of ownership, and a passport size photo. Pay the fee. A nominal fee of Rs 1000 is required for your UIN application. Receive UIN. Upon approval, you will receive a unique identification number which will be marked on your drone. Important considerations. Keep in mind, no fly zones. Avoid areas like airports, military zones, and government buildings. Restricted areas. Obtain prior permission for flying in sensitive zones. Insurance. While not mandatory, it's advisable to have third-party liable insurance. Compliance. Regularly check for updates on drone regulations to ensure ongoing compliance. At Diligence Certification, we specialize in guiding drone owners, operators, and manufacturers through the registration process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.